Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope everybody's having a great week ahead. Happy Easter in advance, guys. So this video, it's about my weight loss journey. So yeah, as you can see, I look tired. It's been a busy day. I have been out doing a lot of things, so my hands are tired with, and obviously I'm losing weight, so my eyes are starting to go inside. So this is totally normal if you're wondering. So on this video, I want to share with you guys how I actually did lose I think it's a 7 kg. I lost this weight in 4 weeks, guys. So if you can recall, in my previous video I did a small haul about the items that I use every day to help me go on with this weight loss. That aside, it is working. It's obviously contributing to my weight loss, but the main one that I just started that really has helped me tremendously is the intermittent fasting, guys. Yes, I started intermittent fasting, and boy, should I tell you, this stuff works. Even though it's really tough, it's a really challenging journey. Like, you will feel so tempted to eat, you will feel hungry, when you're not supposed to eat and stuff like that. But I have been able to overcome these, guys, and I have the videos and everything I'm gonna insert for you to see when I started this journey and where I am right now. So guys, I just wanted to share with you guys. So if you're interested, keep on watching before this journey. Okay, I was really, like, I was losing control. Obviously, after giving birth to my baby, I was breastfeeding, so I couldn't do much exercises and stuff like that, and I do have a back problem, so that really restricted me from exercising. But after a while, after I finished breastfeeding and stuff like that, I was ready to just end this business of getting really fat, because to be honest, being fat doesn't suit me, and I couldn't see myself being like that. I hated it. I revolted it after watching that video of me dancing on my daughter's birthday. This is how fat I was. Literally, my tummy was so bloated. I don't even know, people thought I was also pregnant again because of the way I looked on the video. So after I saw that video, I was like, no, God, I cannot go on like this. I cannot keep on being fat like this. This is not acceptable. So I decided to embark on this journey, and believe me, this is the best decision I've ever made so far. I'm grateful and I'm happy with the results I'm achieved. So here is what I weighed before I started this journey. I was so fat, guys. As you can see, this is how much I weigh, 86.7 kg. That is alarming, and something need to be done ASAP. So what I do is, for food, I do not eat breakfast. What I do in the morning is I go ahead and I drink my apple cider vinegar with my obviously the stuffs I put in it: ginger, turmeric, cinnamon, and some cayenne pepper. That I would drink on an empty stomach in the morning, and that will carry me until 11:30. At 11:30, by then I should already start feeling a little bit hungry, and then I'll go ahead and I'll have me 2 boiled egg with some salad. That's it pretty much, and some spicy chili sauce, because I do like a bit of chili sauce on my food, and that's it. So here is what I would normally eat for breakfast or brunch, if you like. Some egg, spicy sauce, and some ham, Then after I've eaten these, in between that, I might feel a little bit peckish. This was happening in the beginning when I first started this fasting. I was feeling a little bit peckish and hungry here and there, but I didn't let that deter me. I sort of, like, when I feel like that, I go ahead and have my diet tea, which if you saw my previous weight loss journey haul, you will see the diet tea there that I got. So I'll just drink that, and maybe have rice cake, which is got only 26 calories in it, and that's all I will have between that might be around, say, 1 o'clock or 2, around that time, then that will carry me on. And I will normally try as much as possible to keep myself very busy, so I don't go about eating, you know, food, or like thinking about food. So once I've consumed that, I'll go ahead and carry on with what I'm doing, get myself busy and stuff like that. And then come 5:30, after I've done everything I need to do, then I'll prepare dinner for me and my kids. And for dinner, this is what I eat as well: some, you know, fresh vegetables, boiled broccoli, and I'll have some maybe fish to go with it, or you know, maybe I'll boil some beans or whatever is there, you know. I do not eat like heavy meals. And I also realized that another key thing that helped me with this weight loss journey is that I cut down my portion. You must be able to have portion control. You can't go ahead, you know, stacking up a lot of food in your plate and you know, thinking it's fine because, you know, you're eating twice a day, or you know, you're eating healthy, then you want to eat as much as possible. No, you have to have portion control, in the sense that you should be able to like eat less. And you know, like if you normally eat one bowl of food, before you divide it into two basically, so you can have half a bowl. That way you're not overfeeding yourself. Okay, so that's what I did for my dinner. So this is my dinner for day 3. Just broccoli steamed with chicken, fish, and a lot of chili sauce to go. That's it. So this is my amazing husband. Do you guys like the hair I did on him? I've just done this today and gave him a nice little shave on the side. I'm gonna post this up as well for you guys if you're interested to see it. But yeah, this is his hair ready for Easter. Not like he's cane on it, but you know, I thought I'd just look after him a bit.
I like it.
You like it, yeah? Okay, good. Anyway, bye. So as I was saying, when I eat my dinner, I just go ahead and consume a cup of green tea as well, and that will be it for the night. And then I will carry on like that till the next day at 11:30 again. And that's how, you know, I've been going. So I'm gonna show you my my weight after about 4 weeks of this journey. So this is what I weigh: 80.1. Amazing. Obviously I am still going on because my target, my goal is to get down to 70 kg from 86.7 kg. I am definitely going to 70 kg on the dot. That is my goal. Until I get to that, I will not stop. So after this intermittent fasting, I am going to go ahead and take a bit of a drastic step because I can handle it. Because obviously it's not safe for you to start jump into intermittent fasting or the OMAD diet straight away. You need to be able to, like, you know, work your way up, maybe eating 3 times a day, no snacking in between, and then on to intermittent fasting, and then on to the OMAD. But now that I've established the intermittent fasting, I feel like I can go ahead and you know, try the OMAD diet. So that's what I'm gonna do next. So if you want to watch out for that video, I will show you what I eat in a day, a whole day, literally just 1 meal a day. That's what I'm gonna go ahead and do. So watch out for that video because I am so determined. I need to get down to 70 kg. I do not want to be fat anymore. I do not want to have bloated tummy and all those things. It's just not for me. So yes, so help me God, and I will get to my goal. So that's about it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up. Have you tried intermittent fasting? Did it work for you? If you did, leave your comment down below. Let me see how it did for you. Have you tried any other ways, any other thing to lose weight? I haven't been going to the gym because I don't feel like there's a need for me to go gym. I do occasional exercises here because my husband is really good at
training and stuff. He used to literally learn, you know, want to be a trainer before, so he got all that skill. Sometimes he will help me do some really mad sit-ups that will burn my abs so badly. So that's what I do every now and then. And when I feel like I've eaten too much, I literally go ahead and run down the staircase like 20 times, and that's a lot of calories, trust me, that you burn. Or I can just go for a run at the park. But pretty much that's all I do in between as exercise. I know that exercise is important, but with this I'm not needing to do so much because the weight is just literally bouncing off without so much, you know, ado about, you know, the whole thing. But yes guys, that's pretty much about it on this video. If you do like it, give it a thumbs up guys, and if you're not a subscriber to my channel, go ahead guys, give me a subscribe, y'all. Come on, I have so much to share. I just listen, I have so much, I can't keep reinstating it, but this channel has come to be, so come on, let's grow it together, y'all. But anyway guys, thank you so much. I really appreciate your support and everything that you do, helping me grow my channel. Really appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. Thank you guys so much. I'll see you guys pretty soon in the next video. Do have a lovely evening. God bless you all. Bye guys. Bye.